thunderstorm of 2010. You can see how deep it is. I almost fell. But anyway, there's the snow almost up to our windows. It's about, I don't know. You can see I'm standing in it. It's up to my knees as I walk. Up to my knees. Alright, like an hour later, we didn't get very far. We got the walkway done here. And then there's no way this driveway's getting done. Let's see. Like this is the driveway. I don't think so. It's a big driveway. Okay, Mark just shoveled another walkway. It's about 2:30 now. About 4 hours since I've taken the last pictures. And it has been snowing like this since about 5 o'clock yesterday. Those are what our windows look like. You can't even see out of them. But we'll go down here. Can't even tell where the road is at this point. And this is, yeah, from this point of view, it's very deep. And this is our patio now. You can barely see our hedges, and they actually kind of disappear. There's our back door that you can't open. And there's our grill that is covered in snow. Rose bush. Let's see. And there's the cars. And there's a wind chime. Here's Mark shoveling the driveway. Anyway, it's very beautiful. I think we're going to be snowed in for a while. And we're supposed to get more snow on Tuesday. So, anyway, I don't think the mailman's coming today. There's the neighbor's mailbox. Okay, alright. And this may be my favorite thing. This actually kind of looks like an ice cream cone. Yeah, here's another one. Yep. Alright.